Dis die was die trade wat ek wou gevat het. Die ene was nou om vir dinges te wys vir EB. Yeah, I know I'm muted. I was just talking to my wife. I was just having a conversation with my wife. Just real quick. Sorry about that. I was telling her now about the trade I wanted to take. This one. Because I wanted to showcase for EB like how it's done. We haven't taken any trades since he's been with me. So I wanted to showcase to him how does it look when I take the trade. But yeah, I fucked that up today. Nasdaq is moving. What did I say about Nasdaq, bro? This one. Oh, nice. It's moving as well. YM is most likely retracing. Oh, just a small little. This was the money maker today, bro. This. I don't think you have RTY in this. It's a pity the broker don't give RTY. It would have been a clean trade today. Clean today, no? Yo, bro. Yo, bro. I'm so upset, man, about this trade, man. Yo, I wanted to show EB. I really wanted to show EB how it's done. Let's see, maybe we can analyze it here. This trade really comes to life here. This trade idea really comes to life here on let me move this one. Here on the 4 hour, it really comes to life. This is basically a SMT, right? Because YM doesn't sweep out the slow. This is Wednesday 10 a.m. slow. We check YM. Okay, YM swept it out long time. So YM swept it out long time, but RTY came to break this SMT. Thursday 6 a.m. Yeah, the SMT was like this, basically. Basically, something like that. There's a SMT here. And if you look at this candle just tells you that we're gonna trade higher. This candle is a reversal, a candle, and then after it reversal, it's so simple. We're gonna expect expansion. Drop to your lower time frame. It's so clear as day. Consolidation, manipulation, and expansion. This is not. You can't get any clearer than this, my bro. This is one of the cleanest days I've seen. Like this should pass your account. A day like this. A day like this, I'll go full port. Clean, bro. Opens, consolidates, low. Sweeps out the low. This is a relevant key level. Look what it does. Asia. Nux. London. Nux. New York. Manipulate. 930 reversal. Expand. Clean, bro. Clean. Stop. Break even. You can maybe expect Nasdaq to try to open to its opening price. That's what I would do. That's what I would expect. Let's check how the daily candle looks. Oh, wait, daily. Yeah, so I would primarily just target the daily. Daily open. Take off 2 contracts here. Leave the one running. Also, did you see now what I did this solo? That's how you put the partial in. That's how you put partials in. Oh, damn. HFM. You quiet na solo? What's happening, bro? You in any positions there? You take any trade? You focused. What did you say now? No positions yet. I'm just having a look at why this thing is not syncing in today. Okay, so it's not picking up because I'm talking to myself here in a solo. I'm looking at why doesn't my journal pick up the trade that I took now on the demo account. I wanna see now. So it's most likely probably because I wasn't logged in, but it should reflect. That's what I wanted to know. Why doesn't it reflect? Let me check what happens if I put in another position. Damn. Really, really proud about this trade, bro. Not gonna lie to you. I'm really, really satisfied with how this trade worked out. My stop would be break even. Look top right. On which asset? On this one. We could perhaps we could scale out here. Scale out some of your position if you were in the straight. Retracing. Retracing. That's what I said about Nasdaq. You will be spite you took this trade, bro. Because it's a lagging asset, it's most likely will stop you out. Ooh, excuse me for that. Most likely it will stop you out because it is the lagging asset. So if we close above here, your stop should most definitely be break even. Yeah, on this position. Definitely. Is it possible to trade to London high? I doubt it. I very much doubt it. Oh, the other man messaged me now. Really, man, so low, man. Really, bro. Really, 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 really. This was now the one for me today, bro. That showcases my skill. Really, bro. This one was the one. I'm so pissed off that I didn't record it. That looks like a hindsight business. Looks like it's hindsight now. What's why I'm doing retracing. Oh, it's starting to go higher now. Yeah, I would most likely want to move my stop, but this is not a trade that you want to be in, my bro. And if you're in this trade, there's gonna be your take profit. You need to take off most of your position there because it's gonna struggle to trade higher off of the daily open. Because look at the scandal. That's the thing, yeah. I guess you could have taken a silver or gold sword as well. That would have most likely been the one. Something like this. Target London though. Just stop there. That could have been the one. Gold is weaker, but gold doesn't give you that opportunity though, unless you go here about a 3 minute, find a MacGyver entry there. But look here, gold was the one that made the high, so I would have most likely been in the silver trade, something like this. But I would have taken off now my position once gold dangas is here. The market is extremely clean today, bro. After years on years and years of kak, after years of dog shit kak from Trump, the market is extremely clean today, bro. Yeah, what a miracle. Solo, please get a payout there, my bro, on that account, no? Are you listening to me, bro? Please get yourself a payout from that account so that you can get a fucking gaming PC so that we can chow Call of Duty once we come off the chart, bro. Please, man, Solo. I'm begging you. I'm a very cat player, but damn, bro, I need somebody to come play with me. Please, Solo. I'm begging you for fuck's sake, man. Get this payout there. Yepo, 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 yepo. You see, you would have been in money now, yeah, if you take the straight off. I would take off, yeah, at least 80% of my position and leave the rest for that high. And then the Nasdaq trade, it's going to be break even, bro. Break even on the Nasdaq trade. In fact, you can move your stock to yeah. You're not gonna see any money if it comes back. But yeah, bro, this day was super clean, bro. Super clean. I wish I still regret not trading, not recording the entire session. Yeah, no. So no, it is what it is. Yeah, let's go troll TikTok a little more, bro. I think we should go troll TikTok for the final hour, last hour. At least TikTok's not getting a signal today. TikTok is just gonna see take profits being taken. If I make quick, I can maybe get them to see the fucking take profit. I completely forgot to go live on TikTok. You know that. What asset is this? What asset is that, bro? Did you take that trade? didn't get fold. Yo, fuck, bro. Yo, fuck, bro. TikTok is bugging me, bro. Oh man, what the fuck, man? Why is TikTok Studios want to install over again? Why, man? The fuck? I'm having trouble with my TikTok, bro. I must mark it execute. Not sure. Just need to make sure. You just need to make sure each time, bro, when you take before you take a position. That's all. I don't understand why this motherfucking thing now is doing me dirty like this today. Here we go. Just watch how this thing fucks around here now, bro. Your TikTok is gonna download now again from our TikTok studios. Just today, I'm unprepared. Your solo today was clean. Tomorrow's NFP, bro. If you wanted to take any type of W, it would be have to be today. You could have taken three trades today, bro. The Nasdaq short to that low, the Nasdaq buy, and the RTY buy. Must be careful now for tomorrow. Might go into tomorrow trying to revenge trade. Just look at this, bro. Loki gonna chop around here now. Your TikTok shop, come on, man. Mhm. Siapa sih yang like main di bedang? Nog iklan ik maak hier weer. Atangas. Ya. Hmm? Bruno pa. Kijk wat ik live aan voor het eerst man. Hoe is het? Dat kan maar nog eens. Ik heb wel gezien mis. Wat er gezien mis? Hm?
Ik draai hem uit de hoed. Ik ken die ouders gezien.
Wat is het erom? Didn't I say this was gonna happen, Solo? The market is gonna come. Make a U-turn. I'm just glad you sorted with your account stuff now, bro. Testing. Solo, we live here on TikTok, no? Final hour. Solo, we live here on TikTok. Fuck. Final hour. Solo, we live here on TikTok. Fuck. Final hour. Solo, we live here what the fuck, man? What's wrong with my audio? Can you guys hear me? Solo, my brother. Can you go to TikTok comment and see if the audio is correct? Why you take a? How can you take a trade, bruh, and the market already expanded? Yeah, we wanna take some more off of this position. We already took off here. Some contracts here. Like you can see, we already partialed over here. We wanna take some more off just in case this thing starts to retrace all the way back, which it looks like it's gonna do that. Solo, didn't I say, bro, we're gonna turn around here? Yeah, check the TP smash here, bro. TP smash there, bro. What the fuck? Something's going on that I don't know about. You're on my PC. I have a lot of doubts of this price action to go through here. Yeah, I'm gonna take off my main one just took another partial. This is how you manage these trades, people. This is how you manage these trades, people. I don't know. Ja, gaan maken. Je kunt Kimby geld. The hell, bro? I don't have any children that wears Kimbies. Why I'm trolling in my life, bro? Ja, gaat maken. Je kunt Kimby geld. Damn. Damn, you are cruel to come like that into my life. No introduction. Hi, Theo. How are you? What? I already took off some of this trade here, mate. So I'm willing to take the break even, yeah. I came here late, man. So I came late. I apologize for coming here late. And we're about to leave again, 6 o'clock. So we came late. We were busy with the mentorship. We were live in the private mentorship. There was a couple of bangers today. Let me show y'all. That's this one. Look at this beautiful trade here, man. You know, smashing through TPs. It was this beautiful trade, and there was this Nasdaq short earlier. It was a divergence with this high like this, and this was the entry signal that was here, all the way till there. You could just take it to the low right there. Just put a 1 to 2 or to this low. That was the earlier entry signal, like that. Solo, is my audio right? The audio, is it correct, bro? Let me know, man. Nobody's talking. Unstable internet connection. I told you don't enter anymore. Because I know. I always fall into that trap also, bro. I told you don't enter anymore because it's gone and we already expanded. What did I tell you about this? The daily level being the one that you should take off your trade. Didn't I tell you about that earlier? So now you know, bro. I know where I must take off also. Just like I know where I must enter, you must know where you must take off. Where is the invalidation levels? Where is the levels that the market can turn around from? Because we know this daily candle most likely will not expand further than the opening price. If it does, then yeah, then it's good. No, I FOMO'd out, bro. Yeah, man, shame, man. It happens to the best of us, bro. So what now? Did you go full risk? Did you go full risk, full size? If you know you have that kind of feeling of FOMO now, don't go full on risk. Go like 25%, 0.25% risk. Like you could have risked maybe 2 or 300. Ah, damn, you went full. You almost went full 1 hour. It's recoverable, man. No stress, no stress. Don't now today. Don't take any more trades, bro. Don't take any more trades. That's my advice for you for today. Don't take any more positions, bro. Come back tomorrow, and then you come back not with the intention to make money, but come back with like the intention that you're gonna risk less. Come back tomorrow with those type of intentions. Bro, the setup I sent you first was valid. I didn't market execute it. I waited for limit. Ah, damn. The only time I will wait for a limit order is when the market has gapped up so much points that it doesn't make sense for me to risk that much points. That's the only time I'll demand a market order. But once it comes close, bro, I'll execute like you can see with this one. I'm not gonna wait for it until it's gonna come to this level here, which it didn't. Let me show you. It did not trade to this order block over here. What's going on? Anyway, we didn't get to the order block, but I'm market executed. Once I saw this candle traded into the FEG, I market executed, bro. There you can see it didn't even touch it. So I'm not gonna wait, bro. I'm gonna enter. This is my trade idea, and I'm gonna take my trade idea. So what if I now waited now for this to get tagged in? Then what happens to this position? Then I'm gonna chase it also. Nah, man, don't be disappointed. Learn from this experience. Learn from the experience. You always want to be finger on the trigger when it's like that. You always want to be finger on the trigger. Like look at where this thing is now and look at where I got my entry. I don't care, bro. As long as I'm in. As long as I'm in, I'll just go in with a contract list. One less contract. That's it. That's not gonna hurt me. My trade idea is more important than fucking limit order. Dapat solo. Um, happens to the best of us, bro. Where's the main servant, man? The usual suspects. See, one of you followed me. Thanks for the follow. Yeah, so lower it down, bro. 1 to 2, then you back break even for the week, maybe. 1 to 2, 1 to 2.5, you back break even. Oh, yeah, Jacob. Then you come back next week fresh, bro. Then no stress next week. Or just take the day off tomorrow. Get your head back into shape. Get your bearings back. Come back Monday. Come back fresh. Because you can still come back tomorrow and revenge trade again. So Yeah, just be cautious, bro. You need to know. Once you take two L's tomorrow, you down 1,000 and another 1,000. So I'm just telling you, bro. Or if you have a A plus setup, go full risk and then you're up for the week. Your risk management should be your own at your own discretion because I'm not there to know what you're willing or how can you handle this type of stuff, how you handle your money. You're in ES longs. Yeah, I'm in Nasdaq longs. I've been in this long now. I've been in this long. Yeah, it looks good, my bro. The market is clean today. Clean, clean, clean as a whistle. Check here, bro. This was the one that was so beautiful today. RTY, bro. Russell's 2000. Beautiful, bruh. Now you see there, you making your mistake already, bro. So low. That's why I say, don't come back to trade tomorrow. Come back on Monday next week. Come back Monday because you're gonna come revenge trade again tomorrow. Because you know you can make money. Because you know you can make money off of this thing. Because it's now a funded account. Come if you're gonna come into the market tomorrow, rather be very, very aware of the revenge trading and be very, very like protect your risk. You probably wanted to take a long year now. Now I was waiting for the manipulation first. I actually told Solo that I wanted to take a trade like this. Yeah, it was a fair value gap. This was a this was the divergence first before it broke higher. Check here. That was the divergence with the ES. Check ES at the time. See ES took out the London high at that time, and Nasdaq didn't. So that was a divergence at that time, and we closed below this opposing candle, making that a order block. Rating this as an order block now. All right, let's make it a break. OB, creating that as an OB, and then you just want to enter off of the gap, and you target this small target 1 to 2 hour, quick 1 to 2 hour. That was earlier. I didn't take it because I was waiting. I was waiting for the right move, for the right move of the day, which is this one. Everything aligns beautifully, open low, into a draw, into a key level. We have a manipulation at the low, reversal signature, 1 hour reversal. There's the 1 hour. Look at this 1 hour candle, bro. Beautiful. Nah, 30 minutes. Beautiful. We got involved here. Expanded higher. Beautiful, bro. I think today is the cleanest I've ever seen. Trump. Since Trump's in office, bro. Yeah, this is now a breaker. This those of you the OGs, the OG ICT Man's Cup. This is now a breaker. You see where we came to look for support at the breaker. Took a loss on Early in Q longs, no revenge strategy. It's just I'm pissed at the easy mistake that could have been avoided. Yeah, man, it happens. Don't be so hard on yourself. I rushed in like a I rushed in like a knight. Yeah, I looked at those cells, but the I saw NQ was playing, so I left it. Did you see what markets did after taking me out at BEST? Yes, bro, it went, brother. I felt so bad for you. I felt so bad for you, my bro, because it went straight to your TP. Damn. Like I said, now try to apply that, my bro. What I told you yesterday about invalidation, moving your stock to invalidations. Like when we close above this high now, my stop should be going around here, right? When we close above that high, my stop should go around there. Nah, man, don't cry, man. It's part of the game, bro. You win some, you lose some. Like you learn from your mistakes, man. That's the thing with trading. You need to learn. Don't just be hard on yourself. Yeah, I fucked up today, but learn. That is why you need to journal, bro. That is why I need to journal. Journaling is super, super important. Yeah. Did you take some of your money off? At least. Did you take some money today, bro? At least tell me you took some money. Like you can see here, I already took some money off of these trades. I took some money off here and then we retraced back and I took some money off here. This is not a personal account. I took some money off here. Bro, when will you have a public DC call? Bro, the public DC call is non-voided. I can't, bro. I have a mentorship there. There was a reason why I didn't come on early today as well because you would have gotten the signal. Some people just come here for the signal. I told you, bro, you must join a mentorship if you want to chill and chat, bro. And you can plug your mic. Besides, you learn a thing or two. I know you're most probably profitable. You learn a thing or two. And I can plug you with my journal. Let me show you. Just give me a second here, boys. What's going on? Guys, can you hear me? ES is carrying me in the gap. What's ES doing, bro? Oh, nice, man. That's a nice push up higher, and you didn't make that type of push. That's a very nice push up higher. Uh, what's this? Yeah, man. This is my journal, man. So that I personally built. You can use this journal. What you call it, Jacob? You need this journal in your life, bro. You need this thing in your life. Yes, a consistency calculator. You can put in your personal account. You can connect your broker. If you want, you can connect your broker. MT5, you can connect your MT5. You can check your stats. Where is that now? Yeah. You can check how your stats is for the week, trade logs, and each account has its own stuff. See, I took a couple of L's here yesterday, or when was this, the other day? So now by the weekend, I can come check out what the fuck did I lose my trades here. Trading log. All of your data is gonna come here from your broker, whatever. This comes for free, bro, with the mentorship. But you can also pay me to use it. 300 a month. The quiet thing about it is you plug your MT4 account, your MT5 account, and it's gonna track your trades here. It's gonna show you how your drawdown is, your average win to win or your average win rate, your RR. It's gonna show you how many trades you took in a day. It has a rules checklist that you can use. When you toggle it, it shows you, okay, I've been with all my rules. Shows you a daily loss limit. It's gonna be 300 for a month, bro. 300 rand a month to use the journal. This thing is gevaarlijk, bro. It's gevaarlijk. Like you can see, I have a MT5 account connected here. So this was the CAC trades I took. Yeah. And you can go in it, like I showed you now. There's the trades. Took a couple of L's. Not a lot of money, 200, 300 rand. And yeah, there's my 4 hour analysis. There's my 1 hour analysis. There's my entry, which was CAC. So if you're interested, bro, let me know. Send me a DM. Send me a DM. I'll set you up, bro. I'll set you up. I'll hook you up. And if you don't want the consistency calculator, you can just remove it. Like you can see here, I've named this account personal account for back testing. Back testing. Then the consistency calculator is gone. Want to put it back on? There. That's enough marketing for today. That's the channel, my bro. Come give me a shout out and I'll hook you up. Yeah, that is the thing with old time eyes, bro. You need to wait for a thing, my bro. You can't just try to shoot old time eyes. It's gonna fuck you, bro. Just keep dreaming, dreaming, dreaming. Yes, no, not anymore. I lost my account with Tradify. I found it next, bro. I lost that Tradify account, that funded account. I got a payout and I lost the account. I lost that account, bro. It is what it is. I'm funded with funded next now. I haven't received the payout yet, but I'm taking it slow. That for a Tradify account, it really how can I say now? It was a reality check that brother, you need to take it slow. Social media is getting to your head. Take it slow. Try to keep as much as this trading, um, your own financial stuff private. So yeah, that's what happened to the Tradify account. I tried to keep it private, but you see now you're asking me about it. Let's see how the account look. Nice, man. Nice. Yeah, you said you paused and you funded, right? Yes, it was a funded next, bro. It was that funded next I paused. Sorry, man. I'm just going in the zone here, go. Just give me a moment, my man, sir. What size? 50k, bro. 50k. I always buy 50ks. So you can make big money now. Away, bro. 30k, that's the aim. 30k. At least 30k. Because you want to take at least a $1,500. That's the least amount you want to take, bro. You're risking 250 USD. Yes, when I start off, yeah. When I start the account, that's my go-to risk. But after I've made one or two wins, and I move up to 500 risk, and then I stay there at that 500 level because you can just make a 1,000 and then you're good for the day. Like $1,000 is like crazy, bro. It's 17 grand, bro. 16 grand, whatever the thing is now, or 18 grand. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. Especially when you hear South African Man's Cup. My risk usually go 1 to 4. Oh, it's almost 40k. Now you see, my risk usually runs from 200, 400, 500. It's if I make a mistake, then I'm over that limit. When I risk cack, then I'm over that limit. But usually my risk stays between five, like from 200 to 500. That's the sweet spot for me. Anything less than 200, I'm gonna go back into the market because I'm gonna feel that I didn't satisfy my itch, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna feel like I didn't satisfy my itch. And that's the thing when you risk, when you do your risk management wrong. So let's say, like for instance, you yesterday, Jacob. Not that I'm trying to pick on you, no, but I just wanna point it out for you. Like yesterday, if you had a fixed risk, no, yesterday, you would have been happy with that 1,000 rand, and you would have taken it off. But you don't have a fixed risk. That's why you went by break even. You took a break even. Now the journal, bro, is gonna help you so much, bro. You must. I think what you now need, is you need that visual, that visual representation for you, man, to like get it in your mind. Do you journal, bro? Like on your own? Is your laptop or your computer full of your previous trades? Do you journal? Do you take screenshots? Do you make notes? Let me know where you're at with, bro, with that. Tell me, man. Oh, cause yo, bro. I was struggling. I was struggling, bro. I used to struggle because I had no system. I had no system. I was risking whatever I felt like. So with this trade, not Jacob, I can't lose money on this trade anymore